Distinguished guests, your presence.
Kuri ubu umuyobozi wa Karasisi kari bubere hano mu birori by'umunsi wo kwibohora ku nshuro ya 30, Brigadier General Frank Mutembe agiye kwakira umuyobozi wa Karasisi
kugeza igihe bamwakirira.
umwungirije agiye gutanga inshingano z'ubuyobozi, nyuma yaho
Distinguished guests,
nawe
your presence.
yerekeze mu mwanya
Please happy
bamuteganyirije.
welcome our guest of honor, His
Murakoze.
Excellency the President Paul Kagame, and the First Lady.
Karasisi! Sarati igihugu! Intwara! Imbere! Hamwe! Fande, Akarasisi kari mu mwanya kagizwe n'ingabo z'u Rwanda, polisi y'u Rwanda n'itsinda rya muzika. Amasibo 12, 19 ifunguye. Twiteguye kuyoborwa namwe afande. Karasisi! Tujyere!
Umuyobozi wa Karasisi agiye kwinjiza ibendera mu mwanya.
Abakoze Afurika barumva bakiri ingabo z'u Rwanda. Kasi imbere yanyu katewe n'ingabo z'u Rwanda na polisi y'u Rwanda. Bahagaze mu masibo 12. Kagizwe n'amasibo 12. Itsinda ry'amabendera n'itsinda rya muzika. Bahagaze 19 ifunguye. Twiteguye kugeza ubu namwe kwa Perezida Repubulika nitwa Brigadier General Frank Mutembe umuyobozi wa Karasisi. Itsinda ry'amabendera yewe na kapiteni umva neza hamwe na kapiteni Kamatari. Karasisi! Turakane yewe na Lieutenant hamwe na Lieutenant Mutesi. Wara! Berat! Siwa gatanu yewe na Lieutenant Witije hamwe na Lieutenant Ugira iwabo. Siwa gatandatu yewe na Lieutenant Yunzima hamwe na Lieutenant Habiyaremye. wungirije wa kabiri Majoro Mutesi Esther. Isibo ya karindwi bande yowe na Lieutenant Kamugisha hamwe na Lieutenant Niyonkuru. Isibo ya karindwi yowe na Lieutenant Birisabe hamwe na Lieutenant Habigabo. Isibo ya cyenda yowe na Lieutenant King Mudaheranwa hamwe na Lieutenant Gihozo. Isibo ya cumi yowe na Inspector Polisi Ronald Nyarwaya hamwe na Inspector Polisi Thomas Rwagasore. Akarasisi! Afande isibo ya cumi n'imwe yowe na Lieutenant Inspector Polisi Chantal Wera hamwe na Inspector Polisi Dure Wakubirwa. Isibo ya cumi na kabiri
akarasisi uko gateguye kari mu myanya yako, gahunda zikurikira zigiye gukomeza. Over to MC. Murakoze.
mureke tubyumvikaneho, ayo mashyi ntabwo ahagije. Murakoze cyane.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shami Elodie, and I'm going to be the co-MC today. Kindly allow me to share with you today's program. We will shortly be welcoming our guest of honor, His Excellency the President and the First Lady, and the President Commander-in-Chief will proceed to the dais for the national anthem and inspection of the parade. The RDF spokesperson will then commission the parade and explain proceedings to the participants. After the military parade, by the Rwanda Defense Forces and the Rwanda National Police, we will follow a cultural performance by the National Ballet Urukerereza. The performance will be followed by a keynote address, which will be delivered by our guest of honor, His Excellency the President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief. The keynote will be followed by another Intore performance by Rucherereza. Following that performance, we will sing the national anthem before the RDF spokesperson concludes the military parade. The kwibohora 30 celebrations will then come to the end. Thank you.
Arakoze Elodie kutugezaho gahunda mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Mu gihe dutegereje umukuru w'igihugu na madamu, twasaba DJ akaba dushyiriyeho umuziki. Murakoze. DJ